Hi everyone! In this short video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Buick key fob. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all key fobs and transponder keys.
Hello everybody, we are working on a 2021 Buick Encore. The customer has lost all the keys. We are programming new smart keys. There's 2 of them. The reason why I have the key in the programming slot here in the cup holder is that's where the reader is for the programming slot. So they're under the cup holder, there is a reader that reads the chip in the key. So let's say the battery died in your key and the buttons no longer work. You simply lay it in the cup holder there, and then the car will start, allowing you to get home or just until you change the battery. For now, we're resetting the car. We have the machine plugged into the OBD of the car. The process takes about 12 to 14 minutes. It's counting down. And once this is complete, the old keys will no longer work, and these 2 brand new keys will work and take their place. And on the newer GMs, when you have an all lost key situation, you have to program 2 keys. That's what we're doing. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. And this is how you program a 2021 Buick Encore. Thank you for watching.